Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Max from Twiddlefinger. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head, starting with the ear. We'll start with a curve on the top. And then 2 bumps to close it off. Then underneath the ear, let's draw a curve going down. And then from the top, let's curve it over to the right. And then bring it down. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Now tap on the top right and let's draw another curve for the other ear. Now that we have the shape of the head, let's move in and let's draw the rest of the face. Let's start on top and let's draw a curve across. Then another bump over and down all the way to the bottom on the left. Then underneath the point, let's bring it down. And then draw a heart shape for the nose. Now underneath, let's draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down and up on the right. And then a longer one on the left side. Now at both ends, let's draw a small curve. And then a curve across underneath to close off the mouth. Now inside the mouth, let's draw some lines for the teeth. And that's it for the mouth. Now let's hop up and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with a circle on the top right. And then let's thicken it up slightly. And then add some lines underneath. And a small line on top. Now top over, and for the right eye, let's start with the circle again. And color it in black. And then let's draw some jagged lines coming out from all directions. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's add a few more details to the face. Underneath the nose, let's draw a curve down on the left. Then continue it on the other side of the mouth with a small curve down, and then curve it up. Next, underneath the mouth, let's draw a line across and bring it up from both sides. And then one more smaller line underneath. And that's it for the head. Now let's move down and draw the body. Let's start underneath on both sides and let's draw a curve down and in. Then step up and another curve down. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now let's add some stripes inside with wavy lines. Now underneath on the left, let's bring it down and out for the first arm. And then near the top, let's draw a curve down. Angle it out again with a small curve down at the end. Now at the end of this line, let's step up and let's draw a curve down for the side of the body. And then finish off the arm with a curve back in. Now let's hop over and let's draw the right side. Let's start with a curve down. Then move in and let's draw a wavy line down like this. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now let's move over and let's draw the right arm. Let's start with a small curve out. Then let's curve it down and back in. Now inside, let's draw a small V shape near the elbow. Now let's add some extra detailed lines on the inside. Let's draw a few curved lines inside on the left, and then some across the center like this. And that's it for the sweater. Now let's move down and draw the pants. We'll start underneath on the left and let's draw a small curve down. And then curve it down and out. And the same thing for the other side of the pant leg. Now from the top, let's curve it over. And then another 2 curved lines for the other leg. And then a curve at the bottom of each side. Now inside each leg, let's draw another curve at the bottom. And then a line going down on the left. Next, underneath each leg, let's draw 2 small lines down. And a curve underneath. Now let's draw the shoes, starting with the left one. Let's draw 2 bumps going out. And then a large curve underneath. Now let's add the sole of the shoe. Let's draw a bump on the right, and then a curve around underneath. Now inside the shoe for the laces, let's draw a curve out and back in on the left, and add 2 curves inside. And that's it for the left shoe. Now let's move over and let's draw the right side. Underneath the leg, let's draw a bump down and back up. And then a larger curve going out to the right. Now underneath, let's draw 2 bumps for the sole of the shoe. And now inside, let's draw a curve down and back up at the top for the laces. And 2 curves inside. And that's it for the shoes. Lastly, let's draw the tail. On the left side, next to the shirt, let's draw 2 curves going down and out. And a zigzag line at the bottom to close it off. And that's it for Max. Now let's quickly color it in. and done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!